Welcome to our video on the top 5 natural methods that can help heal your gut and improve digestion forever. Stay tuned for some powerful, science-backed solutions you can start today. Our goal today is to provide you with 5 proven natural solutions that can heal your gut, improve digestion, and keep your digestive system in optimal health long-term. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being, but when things go wrong, we can experience uncomfortable symptoms such as bloating, gas, constipation, or even mood swings. Gut health affects everything from nutrient absorption to immune function, so it's crucial to understand how to nurture it. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even your mood. These friendly bacteria help break down food and protect your digestive system from harmful pathogens. But when this balance is disrupted, your gut can suffer. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even your mood. These friendly bacteria help break down food and protect your digestive system from harmful pathogens. But when this balance is disrupted, your gut can suffer. To restore gut health, it's essential to take a holistic approach that includes proper nutrition, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies. Let's dive into our top 5 ways to naturally heal your gut and improve digestion. At number 1, we have probiotics, the good bacteria that help balance the microbiome. Probiotics are found in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. They promote healthy digestion, support immune function, and help restore the balance of gut bacteria. Next, we have bone broth and collagen. Bone broth is packed with healing compounds like collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help repair the lining of your intestines, reduce inflammation, and promote digestion. It's a must-have for anyone looking to heal their gut from the inside out. Third on the list are fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for good digestion as it keeps things moving through your intestines. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. They also act as prebiotics, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar. This tangy liquid is known for improving stomach acid production and promoting better digestion. Taking a tablespoon in a glass of water before meals can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and support gut health. Finally, reducing stress plays a major role in gut health. Chronic stress can lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Incorporating stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can significantly improve your gut health. Here's a bonus tip: staying hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day supports healthy digestion by ensuring the efficient movement of food through your system. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for extra digestive benefits. To see lasting results, it's important to be consistent. Healing your gut won't happen overnight, but by making these habits a regular part of your routine, you'll start to see improvements in digestion and overall health. Along with these natural remedies, lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, reduce your intake of inflammatory foods like refined sugars, and avoid overeating. Remember, small changes add up over time. Let's recap. Probiotics, bone broth, fiber, apple cider vinegar, stress reduction, and hydration are key to naturally healing your gut and improving digestion. Incorporate these into your routine for long-term relief and better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more health tips. Also, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these gut-healing remedies. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite natural remedy for improving digestion? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Take care of your gut and stay healthy. See you in the next video.